Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to quickly figure out if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. So let's just dive right into the video. So these are the process you may follow. Step number one is searching for their username. You may just directly head over to the friends section here and you may directly search for the friend that you think has blocked you. And you're just going to search for them at the top, type in their username or display name. And if their profile doesn't show up, they've either blocked you or deleted their account. If their profile shows up but the snap score isn't visible anymore, they have unlikely unfriended you. The next thing we can apply is head over to the chat section here. Step number two is checking your chat history. Just go ahead and tap on chat settings and look for the conversation with that person. If that chat thread is gone and you can't send them a message, it's likely you have been blocked. If you can still send a message but see a gray arrow or pending, they have just unfriended you. So that is how you can find out. Other than that, step number three we can apply is checking your friend list. So you may just go ahead at your profile at the top left corner, and go to the friend section. And here you can find my friends here. And here you may just directly search for their friends, search for the name in the friends list. If they're missing from the list, they have either unfriended you or blocked you. And the last method we can apply is, which is the easiest test, you may just directly send a snap or a message to their profile. Just head over to their profile. After that, you may directly send a snap or a message to their profile. If it says pending with a gray arrow and you can still see their username, you've been unfriended. If their profile is gone and you can't send anything, then they have blocked you. And that's it. Now you know how to figure out if someone has unfriended or blocked you on Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.